Welcome to Bugs Fighter Tutorials. In today's video we will show how to remove Comet Search browser hijacker and get rid of find.cometsearch.info in Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. This browser extension can modify your start page, new tab, and search engine settings and won't allow you to change it, adding special Google Chrome policy that will block access to browser settings and disable extension removal option. It will display managed by your organization label in the drop-down menu or in the settings section. This issue can be solved manually or using special tools. As you are dealing with malicious browser hijacker, we recommend using anti-malware tools that can remove Comet Search, disable malicious policies, and restore normal browser operation. We tested two well-known programs called Spy Hunter and Malwarebytes Anti-Malware. You can download them using the links in the description. Both programs detected and are able to remove the virus and fix browser settings. Both applications have free trial version and have versions for Windows and Mac OS operating systems. If you want to remove Comet Search manually, here are the steps. First of all, you need to remove malicious Google Chrome policies and get rid of managed by your organization label. To do this you need to remove corresponding folders and registry keys. To make the task easier we prepared special bat file that you only need to run as administrator. You can download it using link in the description. After that, you will need to remove registry keys. Open Registry Editor by typing regedit, right-click on Registry Editor icon and choose Run as Administrator. Navigate to Local Machine, Software, Policies key, and look for subkeys containing Chromium, Google, Chrome, or ones that have weird naming. Remove such keys by choosing them and clicking Delete button. Now restart Google Chrome, and you should be able to remove Comet Search extension and edit your settings. After you remove malicious add-on, make sure there are no leftover settings, such as homepage and search engines, otherwise, remove them. You can also clear browser cache and cookies, but this will sign you out of all accounts on websites. Also make sure there are no websites, except Google, that are allowed to show notifications in browsers. Do the same for Mozilla Firefox. We hope these instructions were helpful. We advise you to use Spy Hunter or Malwarebytes anti-malware to deal with browser hijackers like Comet Search and protect from such threats in the future. Please, like this video if it was helpful and share it to help others with this problem. Thanks for watching.